Today we're going to show you how to create a custom page in WordPress. As a site owner, you've probably wanted to create pages that look different from your regular pages but weren't sure exactly where to begin. And you'd like to know the easiest and fastest way to create custom pages in WordPress. Well, stick around and we'll show you how. Be sure to check out the links that we left in the description, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and be part of the conversation. In the past, creating a custom page in WordPress meant coding your own custom template using HTML, CSS, and PHP. Well, in this video, we're going to save that till the last since we don't really recommend that method for those who aren't familiar with writing code. Instead, we're going to recommend using a page builder like SeedProd or other page builder plugins to create your custom pages. So here's what's coming up in this video. First, we're going to show you how to create a custom page using SeedProd. Next, we'll walk you through creating a custom page with Beaver Builder. Then we'll show you how to create a custom page manually. And finally, we're going to show you how you can view the data for your top landing pages in MonsterInsights and in Google Analytics. So let's get started. SeedProd is the best drag and drop page builder for WordPress, and it comes with over 100 professionally designed templates. Or if you'd like to create a completely customized WordPress page without writing any code, well, then you can use their drag and drop builder. SeedProd is easy to use and it won't slow down your site. And it allows you to create customized page layouts independent of your theme design, and that way you can have a custom header, footer, and more. Now, to get started using SeedProd, you'll need to install and activate the SeedProd plugin. Now, if you need a little help installing plugins in WordPress, you'll find a link in our step-by-step guide on how to install a WordPress plugin in the description. Now, there's a free version of SeedProd available in the WordPress repository. In this video, we're going to be using the Pro version. It has loads of additional features. Now, once you've installed and activated the plugin, you'll need to copy your license key from the SeedProd website in your account area. Then you'll need to paste it here and click the Verify Key button. Next, on your admin sidebar, hover your mouse over SeedProd and then click Pages. Then click the Create New Landing Page button. Now you'll be prompted to choose a template. So use a filter to find a template for the type of page that you'd like to create. Or if you'd prefer to start from scratch, then use a blank template and the drag and drop builder. Now for this tutorial, we're going to be using the course sales page template. You'll be prompted to give your page a name and set the URL. Once you're done, go ahead and click the Save and Start Editing the Page button. Now the template that you chose will be displayed in the SeedProd page builder. To change anything in the template, all you have to do is click on it. It's easy to change the text right on the page itself. So for instance, on the page headline, we can format the text, change the alignment, add links, and more. And it's easy to edit images as well. Simply click on the image that you'd like to change. Now in this example, we've replaced the default image at the top of the page with our own image. So you can change anything you like by simply clicking on it and using the editing tools on the left. To add new blocks to your page, you have to click on the Design tab at the top of the page, and then choose any standard or advanced block. And then drag and drop it into place. After you've added a block, just click on it. Now, if you change your mind or you make a mistake, don't worry. All you'll have to do is click the Undo button at the bottom of the page. And you'll also find the Redo button, Revision History, Layout Navigation, Mobile Preview, and Global Settings for your page here. Now, once you're happy with your custom page, you'll want to preview or publish it. First, to publish your page, just click the drop-down arrow next to the Save button at the top of the screen. Next, click the Publish option. Now you'll see a message letting you know that your page has been published, and you can click the See Live Page button. Anytime you'd like to edit your page, all you have to do is go to your admin sidebar, hover your mouse over SeedProd, then click on Pages, and find your save page in the list of landing pages. Now from there, just simply click on the title to edit it. Beaver Builder is a popular drag and drop page builder for WordPress and can create custom pages for your site. While there's a free version of Beaver Builder with limited features, you'll want to use Beaver Builder's premium version. First, you'll need to install and activate the Beaver Builder plugin. And then you'll need to copy your license key from your account area and paste it into the field located in the License tab. And don't forget to click the Save License Key button. To use Beaver Builder, simply go to your admin sidebar, hover your mouse over Pages, and then click on Add New. Then click the Launch Beaver Builder button. Now on the Beaver Builder editor, you'll need to add rows and modules to create your page. Now to do that, simply click on the element that you'd like to use and drag it into your page. To get started using one of Beaver Builder's templates, click the Template tab, and then choose the template that you'd like to use. Then click on any part of the template to change it. So for instance, you can change the text, images, colors, and more. Now once you've finished making changes to your page, simply click the Done button at the top right. And then you can save or publish your post. If instead you'd rather not use a plugin, you can create a custom page template manually in WordPress. To get started, you'll need to open a plain text editor like Notepad on your computer. Then you'll need to add this line of code at the top. This code simply tells WordPress that this is a template file and it should be recognized as custom page T1. Now you can name your template anything you want as long as it makes sense to you. Once you've added the code, save the file to your desktop as custom page t1.php. Now you can save the file with any name, but just make sure that it ends with the .php extension. Now for this next step, you'll need to connect to your WordPress hosting account using an FTP client. Now, once you've connected to your site, you'll need to go to your current theme or child theme folder. You can find that folder in the WP Content Themes directory and upload your custom page template file to your theme. Now you'll need to log into your WordPress admin area and create a new page or edit an existing one. And now you'll see a template drop-down menu. So click on that. And then select the template that you just created. You'll notice that once you've selected your new template and visited the page on your site, it's a blank page. Now don't worry, that's because you haven't added anything to your template file, so WordPress doesn't have anything to display. So now we'll show you how to customize your page template. Now the easiest way to create a custom page is by copying an existing page template that's provided by your theme. So now you'll want to open your FTP client and go to your theme folder. Then you'll need to find and download the file called page.php to your computer. Next, you'll need to open the page.php file in a plain text editor like Notepad and copy all of its contents except the header part. Now, the header part is the commented out part at the top of the file, so we're not copying it because our custom page template already has one. Now, open your custom page template file and paste all the code that you've copied at the end. Your custom page file would now look something like this. Now save your custom page template file and upload it back to your theme folder using FTP. From there, you'll need to continue editing your custom page template file. So for example, you can remove the sidebar by removing the line that starts with this piece of code. And you can add custom PHP code or add any other HTML that you'd like. Now to add the actual content for your page, you can just edit the page just as you would any other page in WordPress. You can also leave the content area in the page editor completely empty and add custom content directly to your page template. That way the content that you add will appear on all pages that are using this custom template. Now let's look at how your landing page is doing by using MonsterInsights Plus and Google Analytics. Now for this step, you will need to have purchased MonsterInsights Plus or above, have the plugin installed and activated on your site, and have it connected to Google Analytics. Now, having this data is going to provide you with insight on how people are finding you in search and through other channels. Now, if you're using MonsterInsights Plus or above, you can quickly find a list of your top pages right on your WordPress dashboard by going to your admin sidebar, hovering your mouse over Reports, and then clicking on Publishers at the top of the page. Now you'll see the number of visits, the average duration of the visit, and your bounce rate. And you can use that data to identify pages with lower average durations and then edit that page to increase your users' engagement and the time that they're staying on the page. Now to view the top landing pages report in Google Analytics, just click the blue button at the bottom of your MonsterInsights report. Now, if you're already on the Google Analytics site, then you can view them by going to the sidebar and then go to Behavior, then Site Content, and then Landing Pages. And that's it for this video. We hope it's helped you to learn how to add a custom page in WordPress. Now, you don't want to miss the opportunity to get Monster Insights at a discounted price, so be sure to check out the discount link in the description. And to learn more Monster Insights tips, tricks, and techniques, just click one of the videos on your screen now.